delicious, creamy curry prawn with a real kick. Here's how to make this super easy and quick meal. So first of all, I'm starting off with my shrimps. I'm going to devein them and I'm going to clean them with water and lemon or vinegar. Then we're going to start seasoning. So I've added some curry powder, all-purpose, salt, some fish seasoning, and then I've got some gloves and I am massaging this all in. You want to use gloves because curry does stain. Then I have just sprayed the prawns with a little bit of spray oil, a few spritz of that, and then again I'm getting the gloves and I am massaging this all in. Put this to the side, put it in the fridge and let it marinate whilst we start to prepare everything else. So starting off with our vegetables, I'm taking one medium brown onion and I'm just going to chop this up finely. After that, you want to chop up a total of one medium bell pepper. I'm actually using 2 halves of 2 bell peppers so that I can get 2 different colors, just because it looks cute, but you know, you can just have 1 bell pepper of 1 color. So I am slicing this into strips. Then I'm going to get some garlic. I always smash my garlic. It makes it a lot easier to dice up. So I'm dicing up 2 cloves of garlic. After that, I'm taking about a 1/4 inch of ginger. You just need a little bit, and I'm going to dice this up as well. Then you want to get your Scotch bonnet. I'm going to chop up about half of a Scotch bonnet. Feel free to use as much as suits your spiciness tolerance. And then I'm going to start to cook it all down. So first of all, I heat up some vegetable oil and then I start off with the onions. After that, I add garlic, ginger, and also some curry powder. And I cook this all down in the pot. Once that has cooked for some time, you want to add in your peppers, your chilli, and also some fresh thyme, and you want to cook this down for a few more minutes as well. And then you want to add your coconut milk, which gives this curry prawn a really nice creamy taste. So I add about 200 milliliters of coconut milk, I add a little bit of water, and then honestly I just let this cook and bubble itself down for about 10 minutes. It lets the sauce get nice and thick. I add some salt or all-purpose just to taste. I do like a bit of salt in my food. Then finally, you want to re-add those prawns that have been marinating to the side, and you just want to cook this down. Prawns cook very quickly, so you only need about 5 to 6 minutes or so to cook your prawns well. If you cook them for too long, they taste very rubbery. So that is why we wait until the very end to cook these down. Then after that, just dish yourself up. So I'm eating my curry prawn with some white rice. I'm garnishing it with some spring onions. I really like spring onions. And then I've even got a spoon so that I can really devour this meal. It is delicious and it is super quick to make. You'll be done in half an hour. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.